So this is the furniture I currently have under the pergola. I'm going to list it on Facebook Market and see what happens. But yeah, so this is how it looks now. And I'm going to go ahead and come back when it's sold. The new furniture has already arrived. I did my measurements, and fingers crossed, we'll see if everything fits, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, the set that I bought from Lowe's did not fit in the space, unfortunately. So I swapped um, the sets. I took the set from under the gazebo that I had and put it under the pergola instead. I do not in any way, I'm in no way satisfied with how this turned out over here. Never wanted this set over here. It just doesn't, the layout is just, it just doesn't work. We have a path walkway. When you enter the yard, you walk over to the pergola, and this is, it's just, it's just not a good setup. I don't like how you just walk up and then you're on the pergola, and then it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of tight for me. It just, I don't like the way that arrangement is. So, anywho, what I'm going to do now is just go ahead on and uh, deal with it for right now, and then we, we, me, I, um, am going to go ahead and start staining um, the wood on the gazebo that is faded so bad from last year. So I'm gonna, I'm like, what the hell is that? So I'm gonna stain these once this maybe the sun goes down. Some today, cools down a little today. It's about 100 degrees, probably exactly. So that's not going to happen right now, of course. But I'll be back to at least show you the result. Oh, this is the look, a mess, a mess. I do not like this, but I cannot return it. I already, unboxed it, obviously, and put it together. And it's just, I don't like it over here. I didn't need it over here. I like the way the other set um, was here. That was over here. I like the other set here better. And so it's just, oh. And then it's this light color. I don't know. I think under the pergola is, I get less debris. You know what I mean? Um, on the furniture. So yeah, I'm not happy with it, but it's just gonna do for right now. I'm gonna replace this rug. I, I'm gonna replace the rug maybe with a smaller rug that is gonna be more that'll just, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like the orientation of this rug either. And it needs to be cleaned once again. I already cleaned it earlier, um, at the beginning of the, like, no, at the end of spring. So that's that. Um, Also, a heron came over while we were in Jamaica and tried to get to my fish. My mother saw it and, you know, ran it away. Well, shooed it away. It flew away. But I had to add these strings across them. I had this set up. Actually, was it last year? Yeah, last year I had it set up like this, and it deterred the heron very well. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and set it up again. Um, I can't. Mm-mm. And you're not gonna be feasting on the expensive meal from me when it's cost basically nothing to do this. This is cabling that I used to have from work when I, at my old, well, where I retired from. Um, Wiring, not cabling, wiring. And I just, mm-mm, baby. So we'll see. We will see. Also, I'm missing one of the fish that one of the three new fish I just bought. Maybe the herring got it already. I don't know. I just cannot find it. It's black with a orange belly. I have not seen that in a while. Okay, stay tuned. Took a step back. It's looking like doo doo, caca. here's the final result. It's the next day. It's not professional work, of course, so I didn't expect a professional finish, but the perfectionist in me was being lazy, so this is what I get. It blends well, though, that color did blend well. I mean, these little spots here, though, that was like that obviously before, whatever imperfection in the wood, but I'm happy. It looks much better than it did, before when it was so faded. Looks almost back to new.